Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use this Mellif 18-inch cordless fan. And really quickly, before I show you how it works with the batteries, it also comes with, when you get it, it also comes with the cable so you can plug it in. So if you want to use it in a corded fashion, you can just plug it in under there and it can be worked just as a regular corded fan. But if you want to use it in the wireless, you can change the batteries. So it's really simple. You can just change the angle here, and then you can loosen it and tighten it so that it fixes at the angle, or it's loose when you want to loosen it. And then really all there is to it is you need a dewalt compatible battery. And you're just going to come in here and slide your battery in. Just slide your battery in there, and then you just have this dial right here. Click to turn it on, and that's at the lowest speed. And then you can dial, and you've got your different air speeds. And you can see how well it's blowing just off the batteries. So if you're interested in one of these, I'll go ahead and put a link to where you can get it on Amazon.